Hi, welcome to the channel. Today is another day and we are going to dive into the method we can use to wear our fascinator, our turban, our autogele in a more elegant way, so that by the time we finish dressing up, we will look well put together. If that's what you want to learn, let's dive right in. Okay, now some people don't even understand what we mean by headwears. Headwears are the things that we use to cover our head, whether for fancy or for religious purpose. Now, it includes your autogele, your turban, your fascinator, your scarf, and so on. Now, let's start with autogele. When you are picking your autogele, we have two types. Some are usually covered at the back, like this. This is majorly meant for people that are not making hair, like people on low cuts and that are not wearing wig cap, that are not going to wear wig. That's why it is full at the back, and you can easily wrap it up. You can wrap it up like this and tuck it in, so that the back of your hair will be as if you plait hair. Now, there is another type that the back will be very short. So with that, it means you have a very long hair, maybe something that you pack in form of donuts round. Then you can actually roll it out like this, and your hair will come out like so. That is that about the style of autogele. Now, it's quite interesting that the way some people put on their autogele. When you want to wear autogele, I use most of my designs, I use two straps. I usually use two straps. Why? The reason is being that most people always complain of the Velcro, because Velcro used to pull their hair. But with this, you are good to go. You just tie it on your head and it will not pull anything. Velcro used to pull some people's hair and it used to discomfort them. I wonder how you want to do fashion and you say, of course you want to look good. There shouldn't be any form of discomfort in looking good. So that's why I always use two straps, not Velcro. Okay, now some people, I don't want to mention the name of some tribes, the way they wear their gele, the gele will be like this. They will tie it like this. Imagine tying a gele like this. What happened? How will you wear your headwear like this? If you want to wear, if you want to wear your autogele elegantly, okay, set it. I told you we have two straps here. The small one is always shorter and thinner. Grab it and tie it at the back like this. Just tie it at the back. You tie it like this. Put in the first strap. Okay. Now pack your hair inside. Pack their shoulder. Okay. Let it show. Push in this. Push in this. By the time you are done. Now it's important when you tie your gele, let the first strap, let it be firm. Once it is firm, the beauty will come out. So the second strap may not be firm, but this first one, it will bring out the beauty. Then look at the styling. Some people will bring it out. Can you tell me the difference between this look, bringing out your hair, now, and this? Can't you see the beauty in this? So at least it will not cover the whole head, but at least the tip part of your head. With this, you are good to go. You are good to ride the party. Look at it. Isn't this gorgeous? No stress, beautiful. Even without makeup, you are good to go. Can you see this? Beautiful. So next time you are going for your occasion, okay, make sure you style it very well. The band must be tight, the back wrapped or covered or open, depending on your hair. Then your hair, just cover the tip, okay? So back to the volume of the hair. This tie now, this tie is to be fine. You can't be on low cut and wear this cap. It will be flat. See, let me show you something. See how it looks. See how it looks. It will be flat. So the name is flat. It's flat. When you wear this kind of cap, you need something that will feel it. That will feel it and make the beauty to come out. Okay. So put your hand like this. Okay. You don't want to show your hair at all. No problem. This kind of turban now, if you wear shuku wig cap, shuku will bring it out very well. See, not that you just grab your turban and just put it on your head. Slow down. When you put it on, style it a little bit. See, like this. Isn't it beautiful? Don't you like this? Don't you like this? Now look at this. It's also in form of autogele. I will not use anything on my hair. See. I will not use anything on my hair. So very busy on it. Chimney. It's a chimney. It's a chimney. Chimney. You see, this place, this band is on my eye side, not at the center of the head. Okay, you have to wear your headwears out elegantly. That at all, because it will be flat. Okay, the full hair will give it this beret look. Okay. When you wear it, any time you wear your cap, take your time, style it a little bit. Don't just, we are going to shush. No, calm down. Style it, okay? It's full already. You may break it out. You are unique. This one is too big. If you don't want to show it, and push in. This one now. Push in. Okay. So, both ones. Your hair should go inside. Pushing your hair. And you're good to go. Chimney. Oh God, my God. Oh God, my God. Is a chimney. Chimney.